What's going on, everybody? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create an AI talking head that looks something like this. Beautiful. Obviously, the voice that's it's using right now is like a standard voice, but I'm going to show you how you can use 11 labs, and you're listening to me speak right now, and then listen to this AI. It's pretty good, pretty dang good. So all the tools I'm going to talk about are going to be in the description below. Let's get into the topic. So first, you want to go to leonardo.ai. Let's go back to the home page. Anything image generation, I really like this tool. One of the main reasons is because it's pretty much free. Every day they give you 150 credits that you can use, and it doesn't cost that much to do anything. So when you're at this main screen, go to image creation. And then over here, you want the preset to be cinematic Kino, cinematic, medium, 16.9 if you're wanting YouTube. You can click more and change it to 9:16 for like TikTok and Instagram. And then as far as the script that you can use to create these talking desks or these talking people on the desk, let me see if I can copy it. Yep. Copy. Just put a message in the comment if you want the script, and I'll post it. This is what it is. Obviously, I'm a light skin, so I put African American, but let's just put ATT. I'm not even gonna put anything. It's still gonna come out pretty good. Loading. Bald white guy. Did I put? Oh, yeah, I put bald. All right, so we'll go with this one. It's not really looking to the screen. I don't like. Screw it. So just take any picture you want. Take this one. Download the image. Now we're going to want to enhance it, make it look more realistic. Next website, free, Krea.ai. I don't even think you have to log in. Go ahead and add that video or that image. And then we're going to want to click upscale 8 times. Enhance. This may only take a few minutes. Would you look at that? It goes from looking like this. It's pretty realistic. Obviously, if I was trying to make it more perfect, I would have regenerated another picture so the mic's not right there, but still work. So then we want to click bottom right, go ahead and click download. Next one, we're going to go to dubdub.com. This is what is going to make the talking avatar. So this is the home screen. You'll just go to AI avatar, the lip syncing. Click upload. You want to click the enhanced one. It's going to say this, just crop. Confirm. Wow. Alrighty. Then when you have this, put in what you want to type. Generate talking avatar. 0.8 credits. Not bad. Takes around 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and pause it, and once it's done creating, we can see what it looks like. Should only take like 5 minutes, but that was like 30 seconds. So it's ready. Let's look at it. Okay, that one's actually really bad because the mic is conformed to his face. But you get the idea. This is what a normal one would look like. That's really good. And then what you would do is post it on different social medias, promoting different AI tools. That's what I do. This tool, especially DupDup, has been super helpful. That's it for this video. If you want to get any of the tools that I use, just click the links in the description and comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video.